Hello and a very good morning to all my dear students. Today is Monday and it's 9th November 2020. Here it's your Ratsa back with your mathematics class. So without any delay, let's start a new chapter, my dears. And the name of the chapter is Comparing Quantities. Exercise 8.1. So now what we are going to do it in this chapter, let's start with the exercise. Find the ratio of the following. You need to find the ratio. This is a comparison of the quantities, okay? That's why the name of the chapter is Comparing Quantities. I forgot to write a S over here. Please write it quantities, okay? Find the ratio of the following. So you need to find the ratio of the following questions. So how you are going to find the ratio is, first of all, remember two quantities will be given. The first work of yours is to check whether the units are same or not. Here this is given in kilometer and here also it's given in kilometer. So in both the cases units are same. So you don't have to do anything, you just directly have to take out the ratio. Now how you are going to take out the ratio, that's the question, and the answer is ratio is the simplest form of the fraction. When you reduce the fraction to its simplest form, it converts into ratio, it becomes a ratio. Are you clear? And ratio is denoted with the symbol two dots like this, up and down, and it's called is to. Okay, I'll show you. So here we have 15 kilometer and 13 kilometer per hour, the speed of a cycle and the speed of a scooter. Now you need to find the ratio. Required ratio of speed of a cycle, first come first, speed of a cycle to the speed of the scooter equals to, okay, what you have written in first, cycle and then scooter. So the speed of the cycle will be in the first 15 by 30. Now we need to reduce it. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So can you reduce this? No, 1 by 2 cannot be reduced. This is the simplest form of this fraction. So now you need to write it in the ratio. So in the mid you can see two dots are there. So it is known as is to. So this is the symbol of ratio. 1:2 is the answer. Okay, the upper one will be in the first and the denominator will be in the second. In the mid you'll use a sign is to. 1:2. Okay, let's move to the next. Number B, 5 meter to 10 kilometer. What I told you, first of all you'll check the unit. This is in meter, this is in kilometer. The units are not same, my dears. So you cannot directly find the ratio. Here you need to convert the units. Both the units should be same. First convert it in the same unit, then you'll find the ratio. Okay. So 5 meter and 10 kilometers are there. So it's always better to convert the bigger unit to smaller, because when you convert the smaller to bigger, you'll get it in decimal number, point numbers, But when you convert bigger to smaller, you will not get it in decimal numbers. So try to convert it bigger to smaller. But it's not that you cannot convert smaller unit to bigger unit. You can. But for your convenience, it's better that if you convert bigger units to smaller. Like here, meter and kilometer. Please look at your screen. Kilometer is the bigger unit. So we'll convert into the smaller, that is to meter. So that's why we'll keep the meter as it is. 10 kilometers there. So kilometer to meter, you'll multiply with 100. We know that, we have already learned in our previous classes. So to convert kilometer to meter, you need to multiply with 100. Sorry, 1000. So that's why we'll put 1000 here into 1000 meter. Kilometer will become meter. kilometer to meter, you'll multiply with 1000. Do you remember? So that's why you'll multiply with 1000. So 10 into 1000 will become 10,000. Now both the unit are same, meter, meter. Now let's find out the ratio. Required ratio is, first we'll have to write in the numerator, the second one you have to write in the denominator. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 3 0 left, so 3 0. So the ratio is 1 is to 2000. Okay, let's move to the third one. C number, 50 paise to rupees 5. Now the bigger is rupees, so we'll convert into paise. So rupees to paise, multiply with 100. So 5 into 100, this rupees will convert into paise. So it will become 500 actually. So required ratio is 50 upon 5 into 100. Let's reduce it. 0 and 0 get reduced, 5 and 5 get reduced. So what is left down? 10. In numerator nothing means 1, so it becomes 1 is to 10. Okay, this is the required ratio, and this is very simple. I hope you all have understood this. Okay, let's move to the next question, that is question number 2.